Filmora 15 has recently upgraded its AI Mate feature. AI Mate will interact with you, guide you through learning how to use Filmora, and assist you with basic editing tasks. Before we begin, please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to ensure you never miss any of my upcoming videos. AI Mate is a built-in assistant in Filmora found on the timeline toolbar. Instead of memorizing where buttons are or what each tool does, you tell AI Mate what you need. Here are some tasks you can request. Remove silent parts. Enhance my footage. Normalize the loudness. AI Mate will instantly perform the task or guide you on where to click. Let's try a few examples. When you ask AI Mate, please remove the silent parts, it analyzes the clip and trims away the silent sections, updating the timeline seamlessly. All the silent parts will be removed. Next, if you request, enhance the footage by 60%. AI Mate automatically enhances the footage and sets it to the specified level. You can also say, add background music for my vlog, and AI Mate will insert background music without any additional input from you. With AI Mate, you can quickly edit any footage, turning it into ready-to-edit clips on your timeline. Just select your footage and then choose Rough Cut. AI Mate will analyze the footage, remove silent parts, and enhance the visuals, placing your edited footage directly on the timeline. Additionally, you can use the Product Showcase video option with AI Mate. Select Generate Product Showcase, edit the prompt, and click Send. AI Mate will automatically generate a video from your text. AI Mate also features a Quick Template option. Click on Quick Template, and you'll be able to choose from templates for video, text, audio, or guides. To enhance your footage, select Enhance Footage from the video section, and in the audio Quick Template, choose Normalize Loudness. AI Mate will automatically enable and set the audio normalization. If you want to clear all previous conversations with AI Mate, simply select the Clean tool from the top, choose Clear, and AI Mate will be ready for your next project. Whether you're new to Filmora or looking for faster solutions, this assistant is surprisingly powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit and download Filmora 15 from the link in the description. See you in the next one.